interesting and I am very much excited to explain you this about this resonance. Here, resonance when it occurs. So first of all, little just before that one, we will go for force vibration. I had told you this N can be equal to F and N may not be equal to F. So when N is not equal to F, body vibrate with a small amplitude. When N is equal to F, body vibrate with large amplitude. Yes. So resonance is this is the special case of forced vibration. Understood? Resonance is the special case of forced vibration when the frequency of external periodic force on a body is equal to its natural frequency of the body. So here special case of force by when frequency of the external periodic force, so this one I will represent as F, is equal to its natural frequency. So I will represent that one N. The body readily begins to vibrate with an increased amplitude. This is the most important and this is the keyword. Increased amplitude. 2018, this is the board question, define resonance, and that time also many children they wrote the definition, but many of them they did not write. It is vibrate, begin to vibrate with a larger amplitude. If you will not write, represent this one, begin to vibrate with a increased amplitude, entire resonance will be wrong for you. Okay, so when you are writing resonance, then you have to mention body begins to vibrate with an increased amplitude. Okay, this increased amplitude is this is for resonance occurs. So here what it will be? So what will be the condition? Did you understand this one? This is the keyword for it. So what will be the condition for resonance? Here condition for resonance. What is the condition? So in this case, frequency of externally applied periodic force is equal to the frequency of equal to the natural frequency of the body. Natural frequency of the body. What children make mistake here? They write frequency of externally applied periodic force is equal to or they write natural frequency of the body is equal to the external periodic force. Here both the frequency you have to mention, otherwise it seems easy, but while writing you have to pay attention certain conditions, certain words. Okay, so resonance occurs when the applied periodic force vibrate in the body and the frequency of the applied periodic force is equal to the natural frequency of the body, and the body will vibrate with larger amplitude. Okay, this is most important, vibrate with larger amplitude. And here from where it get energy to vibrate with a larger energy? It body gets energy from the source. Okay, body get energy. So here another thing, if that one it will be a loud sound will be produced. A loud sound will be produced. Okay, but in pre-vibration no loud sound will be produced, but in case of resonance a loud sound will be produced. produced. So this is the second condition for resonance. The vibrating body must produce sufficient external periodic force so as to set that other body into vibration. So these are the two conditions for resonance. Now we will discuss some examples of resonance. The examples of resonance are very interesting. Okay, so here let us see first of all resonance in a tuning fork. So here first of all let us see. So first of all here whatever I am explaining, try to understand this one and listen it carefully so that you will be able to understand what we are discussing. Now let me take two tuning fork. Here I am taking one tuning fork. Okay. Here also I am taking another tuning fork. Okay, so this stem of the tuning fork, I am taking a hollow box. Here I am taking a hollow box and the stem of this tuning fork is attached to it. And here also I have taken another hollow box. This opening of these ends, opening end are facing to each other. Okay. Now let us see here. These two are opening to each other and they are very close to each other, of course. Otherwise our purpose cannot be fulfilled. Here let the frequency of the tuning fork is X. This one also X. You can take it 100, you can take it 256 Hz, it can be, let it be. This is not, but whatever you will take, both the cases will be the same frequency only. Now what you will do? You take another tuning fork. Here, this one can be two ways. Here another tuning fork you take, strike this tuning fork will be vibrating and attach the tuning fork here. This can be one condition. Otherwise, what you can do, this one you have attached, this tuning fork you take, strike to the hard surface, it will start vibrating. When it will start vibrating, then you attach to this one, this top. Okay, so what it will be, this one will start vibrating this side, this one will be start vibrating this side, here also the same, there will be vibration, like this vibration takes place. This vibration led this air column to vibrate. Try to understand this one. This vibration, this will be forced this air column to vibrate. So now the air column is vibrating. So this air column will pass to the, this one let it be A, let it be B. It's passing to the B box. So this air column of vibrating airs of A will allow this airs of B to vibrate. So now all these are also vibrating. So when these are vibrating, this one will affect this stem of this tuning fork, and after that you will find that this tuning fork also it is vibrating. Understood? So why it is vibrating? See here, I have taken same frequency and we have discussed when there will be N is equal to F or natural frequency of the body match with the frequency of the external periodic force, that time resonance takes place and a louder sound can be produced or the body vibrate with a larger amplitude. Here larger amplitude is important. So here this is vibrating. After vibration, this one is made to vibrate. Okay, this one will be forced vibration now. This one again will be forced vibration. Here in this case, whatever produced, that one will match with this one, as resonance is the special case of forced vibration. So this one will lead to vibrate this one. So this is the case. If I will not take these two the same frequency, this one will not vibrate because resonance is not going to happen here. Okay, so this is the resonance in case of tuning fork. Now let us go for the second one. All these are very interesting and exciting. So see that one what we are discussing. Let I am taking a string. Let it be a rubber string. I am taking another bobs. Okay, so here I have taken 3-4 bob. Here it can be another one. Okay, here it can be. See, 3, 4, 5 as you wish you can take it. Understood? So now let it be A, B, C, D. This is very important and it is also board question. Now what I will do, I will take a tuning fork. I am taking a tuning fork having some frequency. If I am taking the tuning fork, obviously it will be some frequency. I strike it to the hard surface, it will start vibrating. When it will start vibrating, I will bring this one near it. Okay, so when I am bringing this one near it, this one will start oscillating because I set this pendulum A or bob A to oscillate, and here it has the length L. Understood? Now when this one will vibrate or oscillate, this vibration whatever produced will be a proceed to B, C and D. This can be proceed in two ways. This can be proceed in the string, it can be proceed here. Otherwise in air also it can proceed to B, C and D. So it will set B, C, D. A, bob A or pendulum A will set B, C, D to vibrate. Now let us see what type of vibration they produce. Here one thing you see. Do you think the length of B pendulum is equal to A? No. Do you think length of this A pendulum is equal to C? No. Here it can be? No. But here you see the frequency of A pendulum, length of A pendulum and D pendulum are same. So what happens here? So we know that whenever there will be a frequency, in this case pendulum, frequency formula is 1 by 2 pi root over G by L. So depending upon this one, we are getting frequency. Let us set it for A. So when we are setting it for A will start vibrating with natural vibration. Natural vibration. It will start vibrating with its natural vibration because it is set to vibrate. Okay. So now for B, what will happen? The length is different. Here of course we are taking this one up to this. Okay, anyway. So length, it will be different for these strings. So B, let it be L1, let it be L2, let it be L3. So L1, so here L1 is less than L. Here you see, less will be the length, more will be the frequency. Here less will be the length because depending upon this one, less will be the length, more will be the frequency. So in this case, frequency more, frequency it will be more, but this frequency cannot match. This set to forced vibration. This set to forced vibration. Again come to C. C length is not same. C L2 is greater than L. Okay, so here what we can say, frequency is less because this length, it looks like E but here it is L. Here this frequency depends upon length. Here is more length, more is the length, that is why less will be the frequency. See in this cases, this one is natural vibration, this made to vibrate, this one frequency do not match, that is why they will be here forced vibration. This case also, this one will be forced vibration. They lead to vibrate these two bodies. That is why this is forced vibration. But here you see both the cases A and D length will be same. L3 is equal to L. So here whatever this frequency, both the cases frequency will be same. Frequency same. Here frequency less means in comparison to A, less than A, less than A. Here same as A. Okay, so when this frequency will be same, what will happen? Resonance will take place. So here the body will vibrate with resonance, phenomenal resonance, and with a larger amplitude. Larger amplitude. But these two cases, this amplitude will be less. This case, amplitude less. This case amplitude less, this case also amplitude less. So whatever this one will vibrate with the same amplitude here and resonance takes place. I hope you understand this one. So this is otherwise your sympathetic vibration also it is said. So board question it was, it is said to vibrate. What type of vibration does B has and what type of vibration D has? So B will have the force vibration and D will have the resonance. Okay, so now let us go for the another one. Here, this one will be a third one. Let us see what we can say. Let it be a burette I am taking here. Let it be a air column it is kept. Okay, so it is a air column it is kept and there will be a opening. Here there will be opening and there will be a stopper it is given. So first of all, here let it be the length of the air column is this much. So and this one will be that water level it is there, let it be water level, and this one is the air column. Try to understand what I am discussing. Minutely you see this, then only you can be able to understand. All these are very interesting. So here this is that air column. Let this one will be L. So for this air column there will be a frequency or not? Particular air column there will be a frequency. Now we have discussed F equal to 1 by 2 pi root over G by L. Here the same thing also we can take. This one will be length air column. This one it is whatever there will be some frequency for this. Let it be F. Okay, so now what I will do, I will take another tuning for let me take vibrate this one let it be having that frequency X, or let it be 256, better to give 256 Hz, and this one it is let I have taken this one. Okay, so now vibrate this tuning fork, and after vibration over, keep this one near the mouth of this burette or this air pipe. This is the pipe where water is kept. So when this one it is vibrating, this one leads this air column to vibrate or not? Yes, this air column, this is the length, frequency will produce F. This F is not equal to 256 Hz. Understood? Then now what will be? Let us open this one so that water can come outside. Some of the water is outside. So water level decreases now up to here. This one will be the new air column. Yes, again the same thing you do. There will be a what you can say, there will be a frequency. Let 256 it is given, and here for L1 another frequency F I am getting. Yes, let me take this water be out somewhere else. Here this one will be the length it is taken, this one will be L2. For L2 this one will be, let it be F2 frequency. Let F2 whatever produced due to this air column is equal to 256 Hz. I hope you understand this one. See, first of all, let me explain you. I am taking this one, let it be a burette. There is a opening for water. Here first of all I have kept, this is the water level, this much it is the blank for us, or this one is empty, this much. So this is the air column for us, this is, then let this one is the L I have taken. For this L, whatever frequency will be produced here due to this 250 Hz tuning for, that one will be 250 Hz. Understood? Not 250 Hz, let it be F. Okay? Here Again I open this one, so I am getting another length. Which one will be L1? For L1 frequency will be F1. So all these cases here force vibration is taking place. Remember one thing, whenever there will be this N is not equal to F, all these cases there will be this vibration is to your force vibration. Only when N is equal to F means natural frequency of the body match with the frequency of the force vibration, periodic force, then only resonance takes place. All the cases I mention you not equal to here, this is also not equal to 256 Hz. So all these cases, this one also your forced vibration is taking place. But in this case, when let this is also let L2 I have taken, this is the entire air column for which I am getting the frequency F2. Let this F2 equal to 256 Hz. Now what happens here? I have taken the tuning fork which is of 256 Hz, and here F2 I am getting which is 256 Hz. These two match each other. When these two match each other, then resonance takes place. Here N is equal to F. Resonance takes place. When resonance takes place, loud sound will be heard. Okay, understand this one? So only in case of L2 only resonance takes place, not if L1 and L2 case. Okay, so now let me go for the fourth part, where we can say that in the resonance in motion parts. Resonance in motion parts. So let us take this aircraft. In case of aircraft, we have engine, and another one is rest of the part, it is the body part, it is there. Okay, other part, let it be wings, let it be other parts will be there. Here first of all, this vibration produced in the engine. Okay, while making this aircraft, this aeronaut engineers, they make sure that this vibration produced due to the engine should not match with the vibration of this body. Clear? So here when the vibration takes place, let it be N. Here vibration, sorry, this one body vibration is N. Here vibration produced is F. N should not be equal to F. Okay? If N is equal to F, then body will vibrate with a larger amplitude and this one may collapse. That is the reason only. So this machinery parts, whenever it is there, so engine frequency of the engine should not match with the rest part of this body. Here another thing we can say, in the motor vehicle, here it can be also the motor vehicle. Many of you are very much interested to ride motor vehicle, and that too with a high speed. But children, traveling with a high speed, it is not wise. Okay, so here let us see. You must have observed that one, when a vehicle is at high speed you can say, otherwise at a particular speed, we feel that one, the body is vibrating. The body of the vehicle is vibrating. Why it is vibrating? So here in this case, whatever this frequency produced in the engine, this frequency match with the body parts, so that this one, the entire body can vibrate, because here resonance takes place. This is the common question asked in the board, and question it is how to reduce the vibration. How to reduce the vibration? Answer will be by changing speed. Here changing speed means here it is lowering. Not that one it is making more. Understood? Why it is? Because at a particular speed, some rattling sound comes. Okay, that is why only have to speed have to decrease, so that this vibration produced will be less. The most another important is that in the films we have seen, if it is a club, So all these DJ, all these things are there, and on the table there will be a glass. We can say this one, it is the wine glass, it is kept. Last class also I have told I am very good in drawing. Okay, so just cope with me. Let it be, this one is the glass. Here this glass, it is kept on the table. Okay, this glass is kept on the table, and here all this music is going on. Music is going on. When music it is there, obviously vibration produced due to the music, because it is sound. So whenever there is a sound produced, let that one will be force vibration and this one will be F. Here this one first of all will allow this body to vibrate. Just vibrating this body means it will vibrate, it is natural frequency, so that one will be N. So ultimately when the music increases, that time we have seen due to this N is equal to F, this one will start vibrating with a larger amplitude, and after that we see the glass tumbler shatters, this breaks. Okay, so here, and it is not it is in a particular frequency only, not in the all the cases this happens. Okay, so this is another one. So next one will be for this TV signal or radio signal. This is interesting. Every day to day life we see this one, but we did not know how all these things are happening. So TV signal or radio signal. Okay, so nowadays it is your all these dish TV, but previous days there was, we have to search is back to the TV, there will be one button, we have to search that one. And here in the radio also, nowadays also it is there. In case of radio, there will be two bands will be there. Here there will be one stick, and there will be one knob like that. So when knob is rotating, we are rotating the knob, this line, whatever this rod will be there, they move this side or that side depending upon whatever. And there will be some frequencies will be written in hertz. Frequencies will be written in hertz. When this line comes somewhere, it will match here, it will match here or here or here, it will match. That time only we can hear the sound produced. Other sides we cannot hear the sound. Sound may be your, let it be news, let it be drama, let it be music, whatever, all these things it can be possible for us. So what happens here? This radio signal, it is an these signals are sent, this TV signal or radio signals are electromagnetic wave, electromagnetic wave. So this radio stations or TV stations, radio station or TV station send the signal in electromagnetic wave. Okay, but here in radio, what, when we are this turning this knob, what we are taking this one, so we are trying to match the frequency of radio station, radio signal. Oh, okay, whatever in which this one it is comes, radio signal with the frequency of radio. Okay, then only sound can be produced. All these are the very common questions. So question comes it like this: a person is trying to match this TV signal or radio signal to get the sound. What he is trying to do? Name the phenomenon and define the phenomenon. All the cases will be in this case. And then another interesting, when soldiers they are moving in the platform, they are often said to break their steps. break the steps in case of soldiers. Okay, in case of soldiers, when they are moving, they are said to break the steps. Break the steps. Break the steps means all of it means everybody at a time cannot step while while crossing the bridge. While crossing the bridge, here let it be this one, it is a bridge. Okay, let this one, it is the bridge. So as we have discussed, every object, every substance, they have their own frequency, that is known as natural frequency. What we have to do, little we have to disturb, or we have to apply the force or energy to the any body, so that it will start vibrating with its natural frequency. So this breeze is have a natural frequency. When all the soldiers they are moving or stepping, all the soldiers they are stepping, means they stepping in the sense, if they are striking the heel at a time, everybody they will strike the heel. So whenever they are striking the heel at a time, what they are doing, they are producing they are producing a forced vibration. This forced vibration frequency equal to F. And why it is said that one to break the steps, it is said to break the steps so that here F will not be equal to N. If F will be equal to N, then breeze will vibrate with larger amplitude and breeze will collapse. Okay, that is why only it is said to just break the steps. While so this one it is while crossing the breeze. Another interesting, see, all these are day-to-day life examples. We knew that one, these are happening, but why all these are happening, we are not aware of this one. This another it is important during the earthquake. During the earthquake. This is another interesting. We know during the earthquake what happens. Many houses they collapse. So now let us take some of these examples. Let it be different buildings. Here let it be one building, let it be another building, let it be another building. Okay. On the surface. So during the earthquake, what happens? This is the earth. Here we have tectonic plates. So these tectonic plates, they start to vibrate. When earth starts vibrating, when earth starts vibrating, that time what happens? This one will start vibrating with that frequency F. Try to understand this one. All these are very interesting and very common things. Okay, so try listen it carefully. So when this tectonic plates they start vibrating, earth start vibrates. So when earth starts vibrating, it vibrates with the frequency F. So first of all, and all this building they have the frequency N, because they have the natural frequency. All these are the body, they have the natural frequency. Now you can ask, why we cannot take it N, why we cannot take it F? Because why we cannot take, because due to earthquake only. This one, it is the post vibration, it is produced. This vibration make this body to vibrate. That is why this one will be the external periodic force whose frequency will be F. Understood, I hope? So these bodies will take N. So here this is the driving force. The earthquake, it is the driving force. It vibrates with the frequency F. If F, frequency of earth, will match with frequency of this building, the buildings collapse. So here building will vibrate with larger amplitude. So when it is vibrating with a larger amplitude, obviously building will collapse. Building will collapse. Building will collapse. Okay, so that is why we have seen many cases, those which houses in the middle range, they are getting most affected, and those are the small houses, and the large houses, they are not getting that much affected, because this case frequency will be different, this case frequency different, this case frequency different. That is why I have given you three different diagrams, three different buildings having height, having the different frequency. So with which frequency they match, that house only it will break or it will collapse. And here usually we have seen that happens with this one, not with this one, and this happens, but very rare cases, percentage will be less, but this case highest percentage, and this type of buildings, they collapse mostly. I hope you understand this one. This is very interesting. Read it carefully, and while you are writing this, give reason question, give emphasis to your point. If n is equal to f, if we will not find, the teacher will not find this f is equal to n. Don't write f equal to n. Here mention what is f and what is n. This one is the frequency of the post vibration should be equal to the frequency of the natural vibration of the body. Then only you will get mark. If you are writing n or f, you will not get mark. F, it is not for Fox, n is not for this Niranjan. Okay, so this one f, you have to specify what is f and what is n. Then only you will get marks. This is most important. Not this earthquake. All these examples of resonance, this is the common board question. If you will go through it, you will find this one. Now take another example. Not example. This one, it is the question is asked. I have taken A, B, C, D. All these are the four tubes where that one is filled with water. The length of this tube, each tube of the same length. Here having the 20 centimeter, it is length, total length equal to 20 centimeter. In case of A, up to 12 centimeter water is filled. In case of B, up to 14 centimeter water is filled, and C 16, and D it is 18 centimeter water is filled. Now let us see what is the rest part of it. So here if it is 20, so this one will be 8. If it is 8 centimeter, it is air column. Here if it is 14, 6 centimeter is the air column. If it is 16, 4 it is the 4 centimeter, it is the air column, and it is 2 centimeter, it is the air column. Now question is given to you. Let us take a tuniform, vibrating tuniform, and we are keeping this one here, and this led to this this D air column to vibrate, and as a result we got louder sound. Whenever we are getting a louder sound, obviously it is clear to us resonance is taking place. Now what happens to A, B and C? Will we get this all the cases the louder sound, or some cases will get louder sound, or some cases not? Now last classes we have seen, this is the case of a closed organ pipe. Okay, in a closed organ pipe, one end will be closed. here this end is closed, this end open, this end is closed. And in that case, frequency produced are in the ratio 1:3:5:7, like that it continues. It is the odd numbers. Okay, so now if I am keeping this, try to understand this one. So here I am taking the tuning for, let it be, it is frequency is 250 Hz. Let, okay, let this one, otherwise it is X. So when I am keeping this one, this tuning for here near it, this is the air column, it start to vibrate. As a result, this produces the frequency 256 Hz, or it is the X Hz frequency. It is the frequency, it is X Hz of frequency it produces. Understood? So this frequency, they match. That is why louder sound it is heard. Clear? Now let me go for this one. It is 4 centimeter. It is the air column. So if I will keep the tuning for here, all this vibration will take place. But in these cases, this one will be N only. This N will not be equal to 256. Why? Because we go for resonance occurs here in the case 1:3:5:7. If I am considering 1 equal to 2, then this multiplication of 2, this one will be 6. This one will be 10. Understood? This one will be 14. Not this one is centimeter, 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 centimeter. In this centimeter only resonance can take place. So now let us go for the third one, or it is in case of B. When I am keeping this tuning for here, a tuning fork is kept here, it will start, let this one to vibrate. When it is vibrating, this air column will set to vibrate. As a result, whatever frequency will produce, that frequency will match, will be equal to 256 Hz. This one, it is the closed organ pipe. So here, this case, when we will get, understood? Here we will get louder sound. Here we will get faint sound. Here it is louder because it is given already. Louder sound. If I will go for 8, 8 will not, N is not equal to 256. So here also no resonance takes place, rather, so here it will be faint sound will be heard. If I will take another tube here, or here let me take this one is, okay, so 20 centimeter here now, so let me take it this one here. Okay, so here let it be A, B, C, D, let it be E. So in this case, this one will be 10 centimeter. So what it will be? This air column, length of the air column also will be 10 centimeter. So here you see, this is the odd one. So here in this case, if I am taking one unit equal to 2 centimeter, so 3 unit equal to 6 centimeter, where length of the air column is 6 centimeter, then vibration, that one will be louder sound, resonance takes place here, resonance, here forced vibration, here it is forced vibration, here it is resonance takes place. Okay. So this is another case, sonometer. This is also a board question, 2018, 18 or 19 board question, this one. So here, in case of sonometer, this is a wooden box, it is taken. Inside this one, it is obviously air will be there. So when they are vibrating, this one will be louder sound will be produced, or this one will be post vibration, or this one will impact the force on this. So this one can be possible. Here I have taken A and B, those are two bridges, and this is the pulley. Here this is the sound, this box, and here I have taken this one, it is a knob like that one, so the pulley, so that the string can be attached to it. Here we are giving the load. Okay, so this load can be changed. This load, if we are changing this load, the tension of the string can be changed. Tension of the string. This is the string. Usually we are considering between A and B. The tension of the string can be changed. Okay, the tension of the string can be changed by changing the load, by changing the load, by changing the load. So here the formula tells that one, F equal to 1 by 2L root over T by M. Obviously the tension is directly proportional. More will be the tension, frequency will be more. Now let us take a tuning fork. Here this one it is a tuning fork here, and this one it is vibrating. I have strike this one on a hard surface, and this tuning fork it is vibrating. Okay, so let it be 256 or whatever it may be. So this vibrating tuning fork I am bringing near this one. And one thing I have kept a paper I have kept here. One folded paper I have kept on a. So the purpose of taking this paper it is on that AB is that whenever resonance will take place, this wire will vibrate with the larger amplitude and this paper will fall. That is the purpose of keeping this paper here. So let us try the tuning fork. Let it be here. We are touching this one or allow this one to vibrate. So obviously this wire will start vibrating. Here what we can say, here we can change this tension by changing this load. So when we are changing this load, at some cases the frequency whatever will produce, that will match with the frequency of the tuning fork. So this wire will vibrate with the larger amplitude and paper will fall. This is example of sonometer.